There are so many hacks throughout the world that will absolutely change your life. So that's why us here at Ready Set Viral are here to give you some insane life hacks. Let's head into it. Number 1, DIY blinds. If you wake up in the morning and you just can't stand the sun in your eyes, but don't want to go and buy curtains, all you have to do is get some brown or any color of construction paper and get a long piece of it. Then, starting at one end, fold about a 2-inch row and fold that row in half like so. Do this back and forth until you have it all done. Then you can tape it on top of your window and you have some amazing blinds. If one roll doesn't cover it, you can use another piece of paper. Number 2, fixing a dented wooden table. I know you've all had problems where your wooden kitchen table or side table has been dented. All you have to do to fix it super quickly without buying another one is get a small towel that is wet and an iron. Use the iron over the dent over top of the towel for a few minutes, and once you remove the towel, the dent should be all gone. Number 3, easy fertilizer. We know how expensive fertilizer can get. All you have to do is get your used banana peels and put them on a oven tray with some parchment paper. Then bake it in the oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they turn black and crispy. Then once you take them out and crush them up, it'll be the perfect fertilizer. Number 4, having trouble hanging something up on your wall and not knowing where to put the holes? Don't worry, all you need to do is get a piece of masking tape and trace with a Sharpie exactly where the holes on the thing you're hanging on the wall are. Then place that over the wall and drill right into the tape. Then you'll have the wall perfectly drilled into where you want to hang your object. Number 5, balloons. If you've ever had trouble getting all of your balloons for a party the same size, all you have to do is get a cardboard box and cut a circle into it. Then, when you're blowing up the balloons, just before you tie them, make sure to let out just enough air so that they fit through the hole. Now, all your balloons will be the exact same size. Number 6, a way to transform the painting in your house. This is a life hack that'll have anyone that comes into your house super jealous. For painting your house, you'll probably have a regular paint roller. All you have to do is go to your local craft store and get a foam cylinder like so. Cut it into circular strips like this and place 4 of them along the paint roller. Then grab strips of it and place them under the circles you just put over the roller. Now, once you dip it in paint, you can make a perfect brick wall effect in your home. Number 7, an insane party hack. This is another one related to balloons. If you want your guests to be super jealous and you don't have time to fill your balloons with helium, all you have to do is rub them on your hair for just a few seconds and then they'll stick to the top of the ceiling. It's a perfect idea if you want the room to look a little bit cooler. Anyways guys, that's all the life hacks we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a single video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!